Sir, I stand to support the bill. My request to the government is that under Article 341, some castes are being included as Dalits in Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha and Tripura. My question to this House, sir, and to the government is, in our constitution we have fundamental rights, and fundamental rights are inviolable. Supreme Court has said that is the basic structure of our constitution, no one can touch it. We have Article 14 which says equality before law. Article 15, prohibition on discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. Article 21. Now what we have here is that whenever a demand is made, a rightful demand is made for inclusion of reservation to be given to Muslims, it is stopped by saying no, on basis of religion cannot be given. Constitution does not allow it. For a while I accept this argument. Sir, I would like to know then how is it that this 1950 presidential order under Article 341 says that a Dalit can only be a Hindu, Sikh and a Buddhist? Isn't this based on religion? And it contravenes the basic fundamental right of our constitution, that is Article 14, 15 and 21. So 1950 presidential order is a communal order. My request to you, to the government, is what I am saying is right or wrong. If it is wrong, will you correct it? And a rightful demand was made by the then Tamil Nadu Chief Minister. She had passed a resolution asking for the government of India to include Dalit Christian, Dalit Muslims as Dalits. Because 1950 presidential order says that only a Hindu, Sikh and Buddhist can be called Dalit. Isn't this a really communal order? And secondly, Ranganath Mishra. Mr. Ranganath Mishra was a retired Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. If a retired Chief Justice of the Supreme Court in his recommendation, in a commission recommends it, government is always in continuous form. Power is not eternal. Parties come and go. What this government will do, will they file an affidavit in the Supreme Court? Because from last 8 years, no union government is willing to file a reply. And my last point to you, sir, is that what is happening to the atrocities on Dalits? Just now my friend from YSR had quoted figures. Sir, in Ahmednagar district in Maharashtra, 3 Dalit families were butchered, their bodies were dismembered and thrown in the fields. More than 1 month has nearly passed, not a single accused has been arrested. I would like to know from the government of India, it is your party which is there in Maharashtra. In Ahmednagar district, 3 Dalit families were butchered. I have gone to that place. Their bodies were thrown as some sort of fertilizer in the grounds. Would the government of the day please speak to your Chief Minister of Maharashtra to ensure that those culprits are caught immediately? Right. And lastly, sir, will they file a